Welcome back to the Grand Motorhome. Today, we're diving into a perfect blend of Japanese craftsmanship, sleek design, and smart innovation with the stunning 2026 Mazda Motorhome, inspired by the elegant engineering philosophy of Mazda. Known for its driver-focused performance and minimalist beauty, Mazda brings a fresh and exciting vision to the world of luxury motorhomes. From the first glance, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome stands out with its signature Kodo design language, smooth flowing body lines, a bold front grille, and slim adaptive LED headlights that give it a sporty yet refined presence. The aerodynamic shape isn't just about style, it improves efficiency and road stability, making long-distance travel smoother and more fuel-conscious. The exterior blends elegance with practicality, creating a motorhome that feels modern, dynamic, and premium. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a warm and beautifully designed living space that reflects Mazda's minimalist interior philosophy. The cabin features premium leather seating, soft touch materials, real wood accents, and subtle ambient lighting that creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The spacious lounge area includes reclining captain chairs, a fold-out smart dining table, and a retractable Ultra HD display for entertainment on the go. The kitchen area is designed with efficiency and style in mind. It includes a compact induction cooktop, smart microwave convection oven, energy-efficient refrigerator, and intelligent storage compartments that maximize every inch of space. Mazda's focus on ergonomic design ensures everything is within easy reach, making cooking during road trips simple and enjoyable. Moving toward the sleeping quarters, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome offers a cozy yet luxurious master suite. A queen-sized adjustable smart bed sits at the center, surrounded by soft LED mood lighting and hidden storage spaces. Panoramic windows allow natural light to fill the space during the day while offering privacy controls at night. The bathroom continues the premium experience with heated flooring, a rainfall shower system, digital temperature controls, and modern matte finish fixtures. Despite its compact footprint, it feels spacious, clean, and thoughtfully designed. Technology is where this motorhome truly shines. The entire cabin operates through an AI-integrated control system, allowing passengers to manage lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with voice commands or a central touchscreen. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, and 360-degree camera systems, ensure a safe and confident driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is expected to feature a plug-in hybrid or advanced fuel-efficient powertrain, delivering a smooth yet responsive drive. Paired with intelligent suspension and enhanced stability control, it offers comfort whether you're cruising highways or exploring scenic routes. Solar roof panels, extended battery storage, and regenerative braking technology allow for extended off-grid adventures while maintaining modern luxury convenience. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome is expected to start around $170,000, making it one of the most stylish and balanced luxury motorhomes in its class. It's built for travelers who want performance, comfort, and intelligent design, all wrapped in Mazda's signature elegance. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome proves that luxury doesn't have to be oversized or overwhelming. Instead, it delivers refined comfort, smart innovation, and driver-focused performance in one beautifully designed mobile living experience. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhomes family. Hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insane luxury motorhome reviews. See you in the next video.